How's it going, everybody? Today we'll be looking at my Timex Q Chronograph, the Snoopy edition, and it is actually called the I Spy Snoopy. I was very excited to get it. As you can see, the packaging is really cool, nice Timex Peanuts packaging. As I unbox it here, we see the watch revealed, wrapped up in plastic, with a little note next to it saying the world's best beloved comic strip, which is true, one of the most popular comics of all time. But I'm just kind of taking a look at it here. It's pretty shiny, it's nice. The packaging was really nice. It came in a white box, and then you open that box up and you see this blue Peanuts box. But as I'm kind of taking it out here, I'm just looking at it some more, and it kind of pulls apart from the side, revealing how you take the watch off, which is from the side. It came with a nice tag, Timex Peanuts tag. It says on the little tag that there's a Japanese movement in it. It is a quartz watch, so I'm not actually sure what movement it has in it. But as we take it up closer and I kind of focus the camera here, you can see the dial is actually really nice. It is a smooth stainless steel case with a leather strap, kind of spinning it around, checking out all angles, unclasping it a little bit, looking at the band. You can see it is eco-friendly leather, so I'm not quite sure what that means, but it did have a nice feel to it. It felt like leather. The back of the case is very nice. It has a little bit of engravement in it. Peanuts. As we kind of unwrap here, we reveal the nice face of the watch. I did notice the dial was more silver than white, but it still looks very good, honestly. I was very impressed with it. You can see a little Q on the date adjuster. And as you can see the back again, that's where the battery is. And it has a little Timex and the Peanuts on the back. Looking at the side, it is a little bit, I wouldn't say chunky, but it's just a little bit higher than I thought it would be, which I already have a smaller wrist, so we'll have to see what that looks like. But I mean, overall, it looks very nice. Looking at some of the details, it is a 40mm watch case, and it does have a mineral crystal, not a sapphire crystal. I wanted to kind of compare it to the Omega Speedmaster, which is the watch I've always wanted, and then the Swatch, which is a cheaper version. I actually went and look at the Swatch in New York City, and it felt really plasticky and not really worthy of the wrist. So I got this watch instead, which does feel a lot more solid and a lot nicer in hand. The Swatch didn't feel anywhere as nice in hand as this Timex does. Looking at the side here, we can see the Q, and there's a little plastic thing that you take out and it starts the watch up, which I thought was really nice. And overall, this is just a really nice watch. Looking at it on my wrist here, you can see it is a little big, but that is because I have a small wrist. But it looks really clean. I liked it a lot. I really like the dial and the Snoopy in the side. Now I'm testing out the chronograph feature. Start. The button felt soft. It didn't really click like some chronographs, but it still felt nice. As you can see, looking kind of through the crystal here, it moves nicely. It's pretty smooth. Stopping it again and then resetting it. Nice reset right back to the middle point at 12 there. Lines up really nicely. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching. I love it. I recommend getting it when it goes back in stock on the website.